item that we have on display is a box of mercurosol, which was a mercury salt that was used in the treatment of syphilis. Interestingly, it is unused. The packaging contains 12 vials of the mercury salt, and it includes a little razor blade as well to open the vials, which were then dissolved into a solution that was injected into the bloodstream. The kit is part of a collection, included in a collection of medical packaging that we have. Almost everything in this collection is 19th century patent medicines, and everything else is empty. So it's unusual that this kit includes the drug itself. The State Library Victoria holds millions of items in our collection. We are a library, but our collection extends way beyond books and printed matter to all sorts of objects. We describe them as realia, and this item is one of those objects. The mercurosol we've included in an exhibit which is part of our World War I display, and it's an exhibit that looks at the Langwarrin Military Reserve, which during World War I was used as a venereal disease hospital. And interestingly, Langwarrin Military Reserve had initially been used as an alien internment camp, and it was only at the end of 1915 that the AIF, the Australian Imperial Force, realised that they had such an enormous problem with venereal disease amongst soldiers participating in World War I, and they decided to repatriate those soldiers from Egypt to Langwarrin. Heavy metals, including arsenic, had been used to treat venereal disease, and syphilis in particular, most likely since the 11th century. It was not used in an injectable form until much later. Earlier, it was applied topically. People also sat inside wooden steam boxes with just their heads showing, and they were subjected to steam that included mercury. And one of the reasons for this treatment was the fact that heavy metals do act as poisons. They did have a certain efficacy. Men were cured using these drugs, but the long-term effects were really quite horrendous. One of the enormous benefits of a collection such as ours is that it is the material culture of our society that tells the stories of how people lived, what they did, their activities, and something like this really tells us a lot about what people went through during that period of the war.